Good morning from Bergen, Norway. We're about to jump on this cruise ship and go check out a fjord. Good morning. Pro tip, try to get on the boat early so you can get a good seat. Foggy today, but hopefully it'll clear up a little bit as we get out into the fjord. And they even have a little canteen down here with some coffee, a few little snacks and drinks, a little bit of box wine. And so we're in the month of September right now, and it is a little bit chilly outside. So if you get cold, you can come in here and just sit in the cabin. And also you may want to bring a rain jacket because this fog is a little bit cold. And it is definitely cold up here on the front of the boat, man. You can see how wet it gets just from that fog we went through. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I got the wind slayer on the GoPro, so hopefully it's cutting it out, but the wind is kicking pretty dang good. I believe this particular fjord cruise is about 3 hours long, but the sights around are just absolutely amazing. Maybe. Wow, that's something else. Oh look, there's a waterfall in that teeny tiny crack, Jay. Oh yeah. Socket fart? Socket fart? Yeah, it says that on the floor down there. That's all I can look at. That is terrible.
You can see that the remains of the school gate face toward the sea. This was because most students used boats to and from school.
Definitely make sure you bring a jacket because you get deep into the fjord and the shadows get cast. It is chilly. In fact, I think we're going to head in and warm up a little bit. So it feels a little bit better now. The sun's kind of come up, but it's still chilly. But there's heaters inside down below, so I went down there and it took me a little bit of a nap, but I didn't want to miss too much. Even though we're going back through the same route that we took up the fjord, it's just so beautiful. You just want to take it all in. Really incredible how they even build these houses up in this fjord, up on the hills, and just nothing but rock. The trees just kind of cling onto the side of the mountains. It's really one of the most beautiful spots I've ever been to. Thank you so much. Wow, this is an amazing cruise. It's so beautiful. Wow, you guys have got the best job in the world.
Yeah, it's a nice view.
Oh, it's amazing. Wow, look at this cockpit. That is so cool. Wow.
And we can't complain in this weather.
No, it's gorgeous,
Nice,
right?
huh?
Is this pretty rare?
Yeah.
Yeah, because usually it's probably rainy, yeah?
Yeah, that's the thing about Bergen.
Man, we got lucky. You get like, what, 250 days of rain a year or something crazy like that?
I think it's almost like a world record or something.
Yeah, that's amazing. Well, thank you for letting me come into Cockpit, man. This is a really cool experience.
Of course, enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Everybody's so nice in Norway. I mean, for letting me just jump in the cockpit and film a little bit, but you know, the general vibe of all the people up here, everybody's just super friendly and helpful, and they just want you to enjoy your trip here. It's really hard not to, with just the sheer beauty of this place is really unreal. Man, I am just beyond grateful to be here on this trip. I mean, how fortunate are we to be able to see sites like this and see other parts of the world. Special thanks to NED, National Equipment Dealers, and Hyundai for inviting me on this trip. And a huge thank you to you for subscribing and all your support on the channel, because honestly, without it, I wouldn't be here right now. So thank you very much. Man, what an epic trip this was. So we're pulling back into Bergen port now. Vibrant little city, tons of seafood, little seafood market. It is just a spectacular town.
We are now arriving back in Bergen Harbor. Thank you for participating in the Norwegian Fjord cruise. We hope you had a pleasant voyage with us, and we wish you a wonderful stay in Bergen. Thank you.
So they obviously do a couple of these cruises a day. Got several boats. Highly recommend doing this trip though. As you saw, it was beautiful. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that fjord trip. I know I certainly did. I sure appreciate you guys watching. Give a video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already. And I'll catch y'all on the next adventure.